What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. As always, just before I get into the video, I'd like to always request every video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Let's get the views up, numbers up, you know, everything up. I've been alone for how many premieres, what we call them. You know, I've seen a few people join, but you know, we need like viewers, man. We need a lot of people for the premieres and stuff like that. But I don't want to bore everyone too much with the intro. Let's just get into it. A sneaker that, you know, I love. Everyone knows this is my sneaker. This is my trainer. This is me. You know what I mean? Like all my friends, everyone knows me for these. So first of all, we'll start off with the box. I'm so happy that it's slightly different than the usual red and white Nike sportswear box. This is the special edition box. I believe I've only seen it on the Air Max 95s as I only purchased special edition 95s. So I've seen them on a few pairs before. So it's black on black basically. Black on black, black on black, black on black. You would just a bit of black and white, just information at the bottom, and now the important bit, the label. So that says Air Max 95 SP. Colorway is white / black - white. That's a US 11, UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, Europe 45, and then it's got the women's size and below that. What I'll forever be confused about is why women's sizing comes up as different, as if it's one shoe, shouldn't it be the same centimeters? I don't know. Style code on these is DX. Shout out all the wrestling fans. DX4615-100, and this pair is made in Indonesia. Let's get into it, people, man. You got the Nike tissue paper. It is kind of messed up as I had to have a look at them beforehand. Nike Air Max 95. This pair is known as the Sketch with the Past, which says it right there, Sketch with the Past. It's also known kind of as like a Black History Month sneaker. I have read in a few places this is Black History Month Air Max 95. However, I did find it kind of strange that if you Google Black History Month Air Max 95, it comes up with a slightly different pair. This one hasn't officially been titled as a Black History Month one, so I'm not sure why. That is very weird. Getting into it quickly. You can see I've got the, you know, I'm stretching them already, just loosening them up a bit, just making sure I'm ready for them. But let's just get into it. So they come with this really cool feature. Not even a feature, it's just like a tag, if anyone knows about the bus passes, travel cards and stuff. So it's kind of scribbled out, imperishable, United Kingdom route any permitted, you know, 000. And then it says, you know, not for resale. You see that? Not for resale, people. Price not prohibited, whatever. And then on the back it says, what does the future of Black British history look like to you? And then, you know, it's got another tag with a white swoosh. This is like a paper one, this is more of a laminate one. And then it's got Nike Air Max, and then on the back it's got a picture of the 95 and a marker pen, and then it says do sketch or write on footwear, and then it says like don't wash them, iron them or whatever. I'm just gonna take this off because I've just been waiting to be honest. Let me just take that off, comes off, but I will definitely be keeping that within the box, you know, it's a cool little feature. Getting into the sneaker now, the important bit. So the bottom sole black, and then it's black and white running through, so quite, you know, standard, normal, nothing too wow or special. The midsole here, I think is the first time I've seen it myself. done like this. So it's a black midsole, however the bubbles have got like a white lining to them, like around, so outline I should say, not lining. And then another thing that I noticed on these, yeah, which I actually love, on this bottom layer, that is seriously smooth. I really like that material. Like, you can tell that it's a good quality material right there. It's a good suede. It's a nice suede, that. And then we've got another layer. This one is made to write on, or, you know, scribble on or whatever. And the way to scribble on them is very simple. They come with a Nike Sharpie. Like, I've got Sharpies, but I've never had a Nike Sharpie. Look, so Nike Sharpie, you know, like, this alone probably can sell for a bit, but I'm not going to sell it. It's a cool piece to have. I don't know why I love things with just Nike swoosh on them and stuff like that. So yeah, this one layer is made to like doodle on. I might fill it in just to make it like another black layer, as I don't really know if I like the kind of scribble on that. We've got that gel swoosh. You know, there's just something about the gel swoosh that I love on a 95. It just pops. It just looks so good. So it is, you know, a stiff one. Then we've got another layer. This layer is also designed to be written on, drawn on, sketched on, whatever you want to call it. And then we've got the top layer, and that says sketch with the past. So, you know, sketch with the past. And then we've got, these have got so much detail, so much information on them. And it's got an arrow, so it's kind of like, this is all like, it's printed on, it's not drawn on. So it's printed on, and then it's got like what looks like a type of Tipex style that they've done. Arrow, and then a Nike swoosh. I also love a Nike swoosh here. I think they look so good. And then we got that butter swoosh, butter suede. Love that material there on the toe box area. Standard black mesh, and then the loopholes, they're actually reflective loopholes. So they've got the 3M all on them. Going on to this side, you know, it follows with the buttery, then to write on a few arrows, and then it says draw our future. And then obviously you can doodle all over this. One detail that I really do like, and I haven't seen before on this particular pair, I've had sketch Air Force Ones before, sketch, you know, different kind of sketch. These I wouldn't really call sketch, but they did do like a sketch style, which I really like. So it's like the bubbles filled in, so it looks kind of cartoony, but it looks so good. It looks way better in person and way better on foot, to be honest. And we've got some arrows again, and then the back bubble filled, or outlined I should say, and then standard 3M on the back heel tab. On the front, these laces are quite different. They're not the regular laces. They are kind of like flat laces. Usually Air Max 95s have rope laces. I didn't really like that. I wasn't happy with that, but I kind of like these laces. They're not too bad. If I feel like they're annoying me, I'll just change them out, swap them with another pair, or try to buy a pair from somewhere. On the tongue again, usually this is 3M on other shoes, other 95s. This time they've got that butter suede again. I really like that suede, like I'm happy with that suede. And then the tongue's got the suede, and then it says 1987, also known as 1987. Usually that will say Air Max on the tongue. The reason for the 1987 is the first year that Black History Month started within the UK. So, you know, it's a Black History Month trainer or theme, which I really do like. Just one thing about them, this, yeah, I really like, and I think it's missing from these bits, but maybe it could be a bit too much. maybe not, but I think if they had it all around, that would look, you know, look quite good, because usually you don't get the bubbles filled in or whatever, but you know, you do. Then on this pair, so as you can see, slightly different. So this one, when you're wearing it on the left foot, this will be facing out. If you're wearing this on the right foot, this will be facing out. So on each side, this is a bit different. So this side is scribbled in instead of the other side, so it's like kind of opposites. So when you're wearing them, you have one scribble there and then plain, if that makes sense, and then you have one there. So when you're walking, it will look different, and then when you're walking, it will look different. It could be overkill. I'm not sure why they did that, but obviously I'm not a designer, so it is up to them. But it could be overkill if they did this all around. I'm not sure. This one here also says sketch with the past, like this side. So sketch with the past again, that arrow, another arrow, some more arrows, same 3M on the back. And then it says here, draw our future, another squiggly arrow and some squiggles. So, you know, same thing, draw our future, and then sketch with the past. Well, as you can see, only one of the shoes has like that on it. I'm not, you know, I'm not too angry about that now, just looking at them, just seeing how they are. And obviously if it was on both shoes, I would be kind of annoyed, but it's okay. But yeah, that's just a quick review on a pair I really wanted. So as soon as I saw them, I thought, these need to be mine, man. I have to make them mine. I have to get them. I need them, man. Good materials. I love what they stand for, or the thought process behind them. You know, that 1987, just little details for me just make this shoe just amazing. I hope they go on sale so I can get another pair. Like, I really want another pair. I want another pair just to have. In terms of drawing on them, I might leave them how they are. I might doodle on them. I am 100% not sure what I'm going to do. You know, it's just something that I'll decide when it comes to it. But at the moment, they are staying how they are. No doodling. I think I'm pretty bad at doodling anyway, so I might just ruin them. But I think this is enough for me. Like, it looks quite good how it is. Or the pair looks quite good how they are. Oh yeah, one detail I missed out just quickly. I don't know why I missed that out. It's got quite a cool inside. So normally it would just say Nike Air, but it's got like a little, you know, two figures and the Nike. So it looks like they're dancing. I'm not sure. But yeah, two people. And then the Nike swoosh. I proper called them two figures, like I'm a professional or something. It's two people. Yeah, so two people in there. Those people are also on here, you know, just having a good time. But yeah, people, man, tell me what you think about these. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if you hate them. Tell me if you rate them. Tell me whatever. You know, give me that feedback, good, bad, whatever. Tell me if you've got them. Tell me if you've drawn on them. Show me. Send me pictures, people, man. I want to see pictures and stuff. I want you lot to talk to me a bit more about the sneakers. And yeah, I think that's it for me for today. I have already done the on-foot video. The on-foot video will be following very, very shortly. So just wait a few moments. It will come up. Make sure to check out all the other videos, all the other content, the shorts, all of that. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and most importantly, take care, people.